At Sophia University, students with diverse backgrounds enjoy their campus life in central Tokyo. Sophia offers a vast array of exciting opportunities, including international events like United Nations Weeks, Africa Weeks, and more. Here, students can take part in many unique and enriching experiences. Sophia is home to extracurricular clubs catering to diverse interests. These include sports, performing arts, music, volunteering, entrepreneurship, and academic research clubs. With over 100 to choose from, there's truly something for everyone. Ancheta Neriki Lisako Maria, originally from Mexico with El Salvadorian and Japanese heritage, founded a club named Givers.
I started Givers because I wanted to do something for El Salvador. We are the tools for the children to get out of poverty. And the way we do this is by teaching skills, by giving them some opportunities, by giving them connections. I think one of the really good parts of Sophia is that you can create circles really easily, and by creating circles, it is a motivation for students to be able to follow their dreams and to be able to do what they actually like.
To promote interaction between international and Japanese students, the Sophia Student Integration Commons, or SSIC, organizes a variety of fun and engaging events. On-campus programs include activities like flower arrangement and tea ceremony workshops. SSIC offers exciting field trips during long breaks, such as zazen meditation and green tea picking, providing rich opportunities to experience Japanese culture. Leo Matsumoto from Tokyo, with American and Japanese heritage, is passionate about pursuing traditional Japanese cultural arts. He also helps to organize events at the university to enjoy and promote one such art form, rakugo.
I'm studying East Asian literature and religion and philosophy. I was a history nerd when I was in elementary school.
He is also a practitioner of No, a classical Japanese performance art.
Sophia really has a lot of students from foreign countries and also Japanese students too. And it doesn't matter where you come from, you get warmly welcomed. And I think that's what I like the most of Sophia.